Hello everyone, I am happy you are here. Today I want to show you how you can make this beautiful DIY wall decor. I think it is beautiful to display pictures, but you can leave the pictures outside if you want and leave only the green ivy with the flowers. For this one, I used a cube shelf and I added an artificial plant. I've already added a vine and some lights. For now, let's finish adding the light to the wall. I think it is better to add first the lights and then the ivy. Now let's add the ivy plant. Each vine will follow the light we just add to the wall. Now I bought these clips for each photo that I will hang. And these are flowers that I made to decorate the ivy plant. These are origami flowers, very simple and beautiful. If you want to know how you can make them, you can click on the link in the description. And this is how everything looked like. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more incredible, easy DIY projects.